Right. Hello, everyone. Welcome again to my live stream. I think, definitely we are live. And my apology, guys, for my live stream this morning. We had another technical difficulties again, but we were able to sort it out in the end. So thank you for your patience this morning. And yeah, so we have another topic again to discuss this morning. This afternoon. And so today's topic, it's something a lot of us can relate to. So being a mom, having a small children, and at the same time working full time, and still wondering, is there's really a way to start by building a successful digital business? So, well, today we're about to find out. So I'm really so excited to introduce Malo from Alberta, Canada. Actually, she is my cousin, guys. And it just happened that we are business partners in this digital business. And she's my cousin on my father's side. She's a mom of 3, and she's a full-time office manager and a successful digital business owner and mentor in our community. She's a respectable mentor and the CEO of her own company. So let's hear her inspiring story. Without further ado, let's just bring her in. Let's find out how she's managing it all, family, work, and business, how you might be able to do it too. So let's just bring her in. So bear with me, guys. Let's just bring her into the studio.
Yay! Hello, hi Ate.
Hello,
everyone. I'm so excited. Kumusta? Okay lang, kagagaling lang namin ng may mga errands lang.
Kayo?
Buti nakahabol ako, yes.
Thank you sa time.
Yes, thank you for having me here. Thank you. Hello guys, sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon. Hello po sa inyo lahat.
So lumabas kayo kanina with the kids?
Yeah, I took Katie kasi yung dalawa sabi they prefer to stay at home. So sige, kami na lang ang lalabas. Oo. Tapos ayun, buti nakahabol ako.
Oo. Oh, thank you. Pero kahit na when you're outside, 'di ba? Pwede mo namang kasi our business kahit na anywhere ba tayo na it's still you can still do it. So yes. That's the beauty ba
that's
na
the good thing of
our business.
True, that's true. Kaya nga sabi ko, okay, ka-attend ko lang din kasi nung isang mastermind this morning. Kaya sa mga nasa Canada or dito sa Alberta, good morning pa lang po. Good morning sa inyo. I think sa UK, good evening na. Good evening, good afternoon na. So, ganyan po kami ka-global. Iba-iba yung time namin. Oo. Nice to be here.
Is Katie with you?
No, thankfully nasa taas siya naglalaro. Lagi kasi siyang kasama ko sa mga live kaya
minsan nga sana ko kasi usually nandiyan siya sa tabi mo.
Yeah.
Oo. So ano ba yung kwan natin? Kasi 'di ba we are they've been seeing us together in Empowered Women and in our live stream, pero I just want na i-present kita in our audiences, yung parang I just want to find out in full depth all about you. So can you just tell and introduce yourself to our audiences?
Of course. Yeah, thank you. First of all, thank you po ulit. Thank you, Ate Liza, for having me here. Thanks for and sa lahat ng mga hindi pa nagfa-follow ng page ni Ate Liza, you can follow her guys at Liza Digital Life. Yun po yung page niya. At andito po yung mga website din namin in case. Pero yeah, I'm a full-time mom of 3 beautiful kids. Dito po kami sa Calgary, Alberta naka-base, pero we're all originally from Philippines, of course. And I am a full-time professional office manager then, and of course, a proud digital business owner. So like many, I used to believe na life had to be a constant juggle between work, family, and of course, yung mga pangarap mo, yung mga dreams mo sa buhay. But when I saw the rising expenses, yung laging tumataas na lang yung bills, parang pagka receive mo yung sahod mo, magbabayad na naman, and parang rat race na yun, di ba? So, sabi ko, I can't have like this forever. Hindi tayo pwedeng mag-work din forever, di po ba? So, deep inside, parang na-realize ko na kailangan ko ding maging present, lalo pa maliliit pa yung mga kids ko. So, I knew I had to create something, something different. So, ngayon, I'm running my digital business alongside my career and of course, family life. Not just building streams, hindi lang puro pera-pera, but of course, building a legacy. Kasi ito yung maganda dito sa digital business, pwede nating ipasa sa ating mga anak, di po ba? So, through this journey, I've grown not just professionally, but of course, personally, and discovering that marketing isn't just about, brands and products. It's also about yung pag-share mo ng knowledge, yung inspiring others, empowering others, and of course, making a difference. So, yun yung parang nag-push sa akin dito. Kaya lalo akong na-excite tuwing weekend kasi nami-meet ko yung mga fellow empowered women. And of course, I'm so excited to be here kay Ate Liza at yun nga sabi niya, kami po ay magpinsan, like really first cousins, at nakita namin pareho yung paano kami mag-grow from, lalo na nakita niya ako from little girl na malu until ngayon. So, we're here to inspire everyone here, lalo na sa mga busy parents, lahat ng mga dreamers, mga ambisyosa na tulad namin. Wala namang masama sa mga rap, diba? Like, just have to believe that it's possible. So, ayun, yun lang po yung aking ma-share about sa akin.
That's really amazing. Natuwa nga ako kasi thinking all about those times na I've seen you from that little girl na klinikipan pa namin ng mga kapatid ko yung kasi you had long hair.
I still have a long hair.
You still have a long hair now, but that little cute girl from 3 years old, and you've grown into a very beautiful woman, and now you're a successful digital business owner and my business partner on this digital business community, and I'm so proud of you, Malu, what you have became. So when you joined with us, I'm so happy that you're with us, with me, and we're in this together on this journey, and now you're also helping others to start their own online business, and guys, Malu is one of the she's now one of the respectable mentor in our digital business community. So now she just celebrated her 1-year anniversary with us, and she's really she's soaring high on her digital business.
Yes. So, same like you, because I have the best mentor. So obviously we get it from our we're all inspiring one another. So ayan.
And then nag-alarm. Bakit nag-alarm? Tapos so ano ba yung kasi I have a question, yung what inspired you to start this digital business? So naano mo na yung mga parang na-answeran mo na kanina, no, yung
like yung family, it's always the family.
That's the one of the reason why you were inspired to start this. So what does ba yung yung typical day mo, what it looks like, and how you are managing it, kasi 'di ba family, work, tapos digital business, paano mo ba na ma-manage?
Tapos nag-aaral pa ako.
Nag-aaral pa, still
diba? Para ako nababaliw na. Pero ganun talaga pag
powerhouse.
Yes, ganun yata talaga pag malaki yung pangarap mo, kailangan mag-effort ka rin ng mas malaki effort. So, yung doon, kasi sabi nga nila, kung hindi ka gagawa ng extraordinary, hindi ka makakakuha ng extraordinary results. Now, to answer your question, Ate Lisa, how my day looks like. So, in the morning, of course, meron tayong mga kids, diba? So, may drop and pick up yan. So, the drop natin sa school. Sa ngayon, nandito si father-in-law, which I'm so grateful at napakalaking tulong yung extra hands talaga, lalo na pag may mga kids ka. So, but before my father-in-law came, so dinadrop ko yung mga kids ko sa sa school nila, and then yung isa sa daycare, and then after madrop ko sila, I go to work. And then, of course, after work, yun na yung free time, yun na yung meron na akong time na kung may time magluto, diba? And then before I go to sleep, or after I put the kids into bed, that's where I have some spare time to schedule, yung mga social posts natin, mag-reply sa mga inquiries and all that. Pero of course, during the day, meron pa rin mga nag-i-inquire, like yung mga interested or yung mga curious, mga ganyan. So, yun ang kagandahan nito kasi nga, pwede kang sumagot anytime, basta may internet ka at baka may phone ka. And of course, kapag natutulog ka din in the night, so when kailangan mo ding magpahinga, di po ba? So, kailangan mag-rest. Yun ang kagandahan nito. Pagkagising mo, boom, may mga... Diba? So, yun yung kagandahan ng business. Ano lang siya talaga, dahil nga automated siya, napakalaking tulong para ma-manage mo yung business. Hindi tulad ng traditional na kailangan nandun ka. So, kapag nandun ako, hindi ko na alam kung saan ako kukuha ng oras pa. Diba? Kasi work ka, and then you have kids, and then may traditional business ka. So, alam mo yun yung kagandahan dito sa online business. So, hindi siya perfect, pero at least I've learned to balance things out na it isn't about doing everything at once, pero it's about prioritizing what matters most, and of course, giving myself some grace in the process.
That's really amazing. Kasi nga, yung traditional business, physically, you need to be there.
Diba?
And, so it's really hard. And I don't know, I can resonate with you kasi pareho rin tayo, pero I'm also juggling everything with my life. Because I'm also working full-time, tapos yung business rin, tapos yung mga anak ko. I'm also juggling. Maybe if I'm doing a traditional business, it's not possible for me. So itong online business is the best that I've ever found. For this is very suitable for all busy professionals, busy parents, everyone na talagang sinasabi nilang they have no time to do this. So, ano yung personal growth or transformation mo that you have experienced when you became a digital business owner at saka mentor?
Napakalaki talaga. It's really a huge transformation kasi nga lumaki tayo na parang yung part ng culture kasi natin yung kailangan mag-ingat ka kung ano sasabihin mo, baka kung ano isipin ng tao. So parang or yung parang part din ng culture natin na yung kailangan mag-graduate ka, mag-graduate ka sa college, and then you'll get a job. Yung ganun yun, para tapos, or you have to get good grades para mas madali kang makahanap ng work. Pero after kung although na-realize ko na dati nun, pero mas na-realize ko pa ngayon na parang it doesn't matter at all kasi those people who are commenting about it, hindi sila ang magbabayad ng bills mo, hindi sila yung makakatulong sa dreams mo, yung gano'n. So parang, bakit ko pa iisipin yung sasabihin ng tao, di ba? Pero, at saka yung self-confidence din, I used to doubt myself, kaya ko ba to? Kasi, syempre, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga sinasabi ng imposter syndrome, di ba? So parang, kakayanin ko ba to? Ano bang sasabihin ko? Meron bang maniniwala sa akin? Or yung parang, maano ka din, bababa ng konti yung self-confidence mo or yung mga self-esteem na yan. Pero dahil sa community natin, dahil sa mentorship, dahil sa mga group natin, yung mga empowered women, mga dream team na yan, yung mga achievers,
support.
Yes, the support that we have is so huge talaga na you're not doing it alone. Yung training natin, yung tools natin, all the resources are all available talaga na kapag pumasok ka sa platform dun sa natin, dun sa portal natin, you got everything that you need. So, parang nasa linya ko nga ang marketing, pero parang andun din yung minsan yung doubt ko sa sarili ko, kakayanin ko ba to? Parang alam mo yun, pero pag nakita mo kung ano yung mga, mas natututo pa nga ako ngayon di ba? So, yung pag-step ko dito sa digital space na to, it has helped me rediscover talaga my voice. It has helped me rebuild my confidence and lean into leadership. So I have grown talaga spiritually, emotionally, lahat na, mentally, and of course, hopefully financially, kasi part naman yun, di ba? So, I get to watch others transform too. So nakaka-inspire lang din talaga.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can that's really amazing kasi yun rin yung yung na ko sa sarili ko yung mindset rin na rin nag-iba sa akin yung mindset ko. Kasi before I'm really so thankful. You know, this business, it has really saved me. I've been telling this all along since I've started this digital business. It has saved me. And yeah, nag talaga yung mindset ko, nag-shift lahat. And ang daming benefits talaga if you talaga na lahat ng mga nagawa ng digital business sa akin. It will take a lot of time for me to say it all. So,
abutin tayo ng siyam-siyam.
We still have another live stream, guys. So,
yeah, watch out for that.
Watch out for that. So,
and yan.
So ito na yung last natin. Last na question ko.
Yeah.
Dami kong question for you, pero we'll do it again next time, I promise. Yes. So what advice ba would you give to other parents or busy individuals who are hesitant to start their, because they think that they don't have time or skills? Ano pa yung advice mo?
Yeah, simple lang naman ang natin. Kasi lahat tayo pag-antay na, alam mo yung manyana habit na sinasabi na, bukas na, or maybe next year, or maybe saka na lang, ganun lagi. So, ganun kasi tayong pinalaki din na sa culture natin. So, kung meron mang tayong gawin, guys, is don't wait until everything is dun sa perfect time, kasi it will never be. There's no such thing as perfect time. Kailangan mo lang mag-start. Kailangan mo lang gawin. Yeah. Because sabi nga nila, the 1,000 steps starts from one small step. Yeah. Kailangan ng baby step lang tayo. There will never be a perfect time for everything. So, start with what you have, where you are. You don't need to know everything. Hindi mo kailangan maging tech savvy, hindi mo kailangan magkaroon ng skills, kasi dito meron pa kaming mga partners na 70, 80 years old, and they're not so afraid. Parang it's not over, guys. Parang they're all, kailangan lang kasi open yung mindset mo din dito. Hindi pwede yun. At saka dapat coachable ka, diba? So, hindi mo kailangan alamin lahat. You don't need to know everything. You just have to be willing to learn. And if you're a parent like me, like us, juggling, multiple roles, you already have superpowers. You have the time management. You are adaptable. You have the resilience. Kaya mo ngang magluto and maglaba at the same time, or gano'n. Kailangan natin gawin lahat ng strength natin. At kung magkakaroon tayo ng mga problema, may mga pain points tayo dyan, pero gamitin natin yun as parang lesson, di ba? Hindi naman tayo perfect na tao. So, the most powerful step is just simply to start. Just start. And your future self will definitely thank you for it. And of course, your family. So, kung dyan ka lang, kung saan ka man ngayon, walang mangyayari, di ba? So, kailangan mo lang talagang mag-start.
And also, there's a kasabihan ba na, ano ba yun yung, kalimutan ko, there's, if if nothing will change, if you don't do anything,
nothing will change.
Nothing will change. Parang ganun ba, di ba?
Yeah. O parang walang mangyayari kasi wala ka namang ginagawa. So,
ginagawa, oo.
Exactly.
So it's the same thing. Next year, the same thing. Parang nagro-roll out lang yung life mo. If you're not doing anything, di ba?
That's true.
So, yeah, so I think that's all. That's all, guys. And yeah, thank you so much for joining us today, guys. And a big thank you, Malu, for sharing your inspiring journey with us. I hope I can invite you on another live stream again.
Yeah, we can chat also. It doesn't need to be live. Pero thank you for having me here.
Yeah. So this is proving that even as a busy mom and full-time employee, it's absolutely possible to build a successful online business, guys. So I hope Malu's story has inspired you to believe that if she can do it, so can you. So stay tuned to more stories like this. And yeah, and until next time, keep dreaming big, guys, and let us take small steps one day at a time. That's true. Yeah, see you all on our next live stream. Which, oh my gosh, which is a few minutes away, I think, isn't it? Yeah.
It's in 9 minutes.
Our empowered women. Yeah. So see you again later, guys, on our live stream. See you, Malu, later on.
Thank you. See you there. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thanks.